Hello out there, Ron Smiley here. Let's take a look at your forecast and what we can kind of expect over the next couple of days. We're actually going to kind of go out. Now, on the video cast, I never show the 7-day forecast. I'd like you to tune in and watch either the noon show or the morning show so you can get that. I do generally give a 3-day outlook. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you at least long-range model, GFS model, that was going to go out past 10 days. To show you what's coming up there. 47 today, plenty of sunshine, especially in the morning hours. More clouds rolling in for the afternoon. Temperatures tomorrow morning as we clear skies out again will be into the mid-20s, so a little colder than what we are going to be looking at today and what we saw this morning where temperatures hovered around 32. Just a quick look also, I like to on Mondays kind of take a look at the snowfall and where we're at. This season we've actually seen 36.3 inches of snow. That's slightly above where we normally would be when it comes to snow. Always interesting there to look at that. Here's your next 7 days and what we can expect to see, including a big warm-up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I want to focus on what starts Saturday and on Sunday, which is colder air that's going to be in place. In fact, the blues, that cold air sneaking in as we're heading into the weekend. Now this is Thursday, so this is the warm-up. Notice a couple of things. The cold front, it's situated right on top of Chicago at this point. We also have what could be some severe weather that's going to be down in the Memphis area as this front kind of slides in there as well, and we get some moisture coming in from the Gulf. So some really warm air ahead of that cold air. The triple point there is what we're looking at. This warm little surge of air there, it gives way to colder air. There comes the cold air right there, and it stays in place for the rest of the weekend and into next week. In fact, it looks like all the way into Thursday before the colder air is set to break. Now, we will still see some 40s for highs, maybe even some upper 30s and 20s for lows, but it's still certainly going to be at or below the average for this time of the year. You can see the next couple of days, though, looking pretty good. All right, Twitter gives me 220, so I got to get out of here. Make sure you give me a like, a favorite, a retweet, or a share. I always appreciate that. It makes sure more folks see this video cast.